Alot.
That's a Colt 45! No! You wouldn't quick scope a fiddler crab. You should have kept that. Oh! I can't. Ah! Oh! I can't pick the guy. He's so fat. I can't. Ah, get it out! Help me! Reeds! Reeds, help me! Reeds! Reeds!
Reeds! 20. Holy crap, this game is so much fun.
Saw that laser.
He split in two.
What are you doing? You get that away, young man. No! I'm so big and slow.
Colt 45, it's over.
Oh.
I'll save you, Reigns.
Tyler, you're not helping. You killed me.
Stop is the thing.
Look at those shots!
Crap! I gotta reload this thing. That's not good. Oh my god! Okay, so I'm actually stun locked. There's your synergy. There's your synergy. I'm locking onto like. Oh, he dodged it! I didn't dodge that one.
Oh, that was a nice shot!
You wouldn't.
That would actually make a decent clip here.
Oh! Oh!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! No! No!
I hear Colt 45. Dalton is dead.
Yeah,
Here we go. Colt 45. Michael, seeing you like skitter away is like. I'm reloading. I'm reloading.
The food. I had to. You're gonna have.
No,
to do
no,
my
no, no.
stuff.
Turn around. Turn around. Walk towards the. Nope, the other one behind you.
Oh, I see it. Like, I'm not really a gun person, you know? Like, it's cool, but it just ends the game, and that's just not really fun.